Go get it! Oh, you surrender! You surrender! Oh. Go get your ring. Ah, that was a good scoot. Hey, Taylor. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Do you want to show us your Stevie Wonder move? You want to show us your Stevie Wonder move? Not now, maybe later, huh? Look at those two pretty teeth. Oh, now you're gonna be shy. Oh, come on. Wait, it needs to be further than that. Come on. Come on. You got the right idea. No, not on your back. You can't crawl on your back, you silly Billy. There's the Stevie Wonder move. Oh. Hi, Taylor. You want to say hi to the camera? Hi. Look at those pretty teeth on the bottom. Come on. Look at that scoot! You're so good! Oh no, it helps to pull your arm out.
Classic Rock Station with Elton John, who recently came in third on the